Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and let's continue our beginner tutorial. Now we are in part 3, and I have created some more text here. It looks like this in our code app. And let's put these into rows and columns. So, first of all, we have everything in a container. That's great. Let's take all of these nodes and group them and call this curly brackets row curly brackets. Save. Let's check it out in our code app. Apparently it seems that nothing has happened here. Okay, cool. Now let's do this. Let's put these two in a column, curly brackets call, like that. You see that something happened here. They jumped in. Okay, let's put these one, they are putting themselves into the grid. Another call for the buttons, and boom. Let's do this instead. Let's take this one and group it and call it call, and the other one group it and call it call column. Okay, for this one, let's check it out in our code app. Cool, everything is slaving to the grid. That's awesome. Now let's say that we want to, when we have a bigger screen, we want to have these in two columns. I mean, one column here and one column here of text. How do we do that? Yes, everything is based on the bootstrap grid, so you have 12 columns. So what is 12 divided by 2? 6. So each column here needs to have the number 6 in it. So you just put LG like that, 6, and on the other one you put LG like that, 6. Now let's save and check this out in our code app. Boom. You see what happened here? On bigger screens we have 2 columns, and on smaller screens everything is stacked. And this is how you create columns. That's all. I will save this file and you can check it out in the tutorial. Have a great one. Cheers.